All right, fifth graders, so in this lesson, you're going to be learning how to calculate the missing side when given the total volume of a rectangular prism. Okay, so what that means is you're going to be given the volume and two sides, and you have to figure out what the missing side is. So remember, all sides measure 1 unit. So this is length, width, and height. Now remember, some of you are confusing these and you're counting, like when you're counting your sides, for example, smaller shapes like this, when you can count them, you're counting the front and the top and the side as all 3 different cubes. But remember, it's just the top of the cube and the side of the cube because it is 3D, okay? So for example, this shape right here has 6 units. You can count like the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you can count the top, 1, 2, 3, and then know that there's 3 under it, however you want to do it. But I also want to remind you that you cannot use the volume formula unless it is a complete prism like this. In other words, it makes a complete cube or a complete box or a complete 3D rectangle. It can't have pieces hanging out or pushing up. If it's like that, then you can't use the formula, okay? So let's look at the next one, and then this is what you're actually going to be doing. And this is where you will click on where you've clicked to listen to me. But it says, how do we determine the missing side when the total volume is given to us of the rectangular prism? Okay, so for example, let's look at this one. I know the total volume is 36. I know the height is 3, the width or the length is 4, and I need the length, okay? So all you're going to do is this, multiply what you have. So 3 times 4 equals 12. So 36 divided by 12 is what? 3. And then put that back in there and make sure it works. So I think this side is 3. Okay? So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. So again, all you're going to do is multiply the two sides that you're given and then divide your total volume by that number. And then that will be the third side. So one more time. I know that 3 times 4 is 12. So divide your total volume, 36, by that number. 36 divided by the 12 that I just got when I multiplied equals 3. That's your missing side length. And then a way to check it is to go back and multiply all 3 side lengths just to make sure it works.